Hello everyone, welcome back to Masters. If you like content and my efforts, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for your support on session 1. Here we go for session 2. Okay, let's quick start admin session 2. So in this session, we will discuss about objects, Salesforce objects. In previous session, I already gave an overview regarding Salesforce objects, right? Salesforce objects. We have two types of objects. One is standard object and the second one is custom objects, right? So basically what is an object? Object is a table in database. We used to store data in the table in the form of tables, right? So in this table, like, right, so this is our table. Let's assume that this is our database table. Okay, in this we have two columns. The first one is name and the second one is city, or we can say ID, right? So we are storing name and ID. So let's see what we will store. Let's say Ravi is a name, okay, and in ID let's say 123. This is one data. Let's say another one is Aaron, and next his ID number is 567. Right. So we are storing this data in table format. Now we can store this in Salesforce. We can store these architecture as objects. Okay, so object is a table in database. So what is a standard object? Basically, standard object is a uh, built-in objects, or we can say rebuilt objects. Okay, we won't create these objects, but they already come with a package. And custom objects, is so standard objects are built-in objects and custom objects are created by us. So this is the basic idea of Salesforce objects. Okay, let's see in Salesforce how it will be. So where we can create objects, let's create an object also. Which one we use to create? Only custom. We can't create standard. They are already created by package. Okay. So how to create first? We need to go to setup and then object manager, right? Then click on create. Okay. Let's see. So this is the setup, and here is an object manager, and here are many objects we have. These are all standard objects. If you want to create a custom object, here is the button create custom object, right? Done. So first let's see standard object and then we will create and explore custom objects. So let's take on this object account. Basically this account represents an individual account, or which is an org means an organization or a company or a person. Okay, so we can say accounts are also different types of accounts. We can say customer accounts, okay, and we can say supplier accounts, partner accounts. Okay, we can build many type of accounts, but this is the main object, okay, which represent the account. So you can see here API name. API name for standard objects will be like this, directly with the names account. Okay, let's take this under standard object. We took account, right? Account, and its name is account, and its API name is, it is also account, right? Okay. So we have different types of options here. You can see. Let's see each and everything. So what is details? In this details tag, we can see description, API name, custom, singular label, plural label, enable reports. These are all the things we can't edit anything, right? Yes. So this is only the information about this object, right? So in details, what we are seeing, information about an object, right? Next we have here fields and relationships, right? So what is this exactly? Fields and relationships are nothing but those are fields. If you take an account here, okay, if you open any of the account which we have created, details, see here you can see account owner, rating, okay, phone number, account name, parent account, fax. So these are all called as fields. If you want to see, let's see account name, account name. Let's go and search in fields. See account name is of type name type, and sorry, field name is name, and which data type, it is a name data type, okay, and it is indexed. So this is a field, you understand, right? Yeah. So these are all the fields in which we will store data, and you can create a new fields from here, new, okay, by clicking on new button, and you can delete the fields, okay. And next we have field dependency. Field dependency is nothing but, let me explain here. So if we have two types of fields, let's take, first we have city, okay, and next we have state, sorry, first we have country, next we have state, right? So we won't show the values of state to fill up. First we will show country, select one country, till then we won't show these values, okay. If we have an options like in country, let's say in, US, UK. If user selects an IN, then only we show all the states which are related to IN. Okay. If user selects country US, then we should give the values of states which are present in US. Same like UK. That means if we are selecting a country value, then the respective state values are popping up. That means this state is depending on this country value, right? So that's we call dependency, field dependency. This field is depending on this field. Okay. So those type of things we can create from this field dependencies. So fields and relationships, fields to store data. Okay. And In this we have field dependency. One field depends on another field values. Okay, and next history tracking. So if you see here, set history tracking. What is this means? See, if I go here, okay, if you see in related, here we don't have any history. So enable account history. Previously it was not enabled, so we are unable to see any history tab here. Okay, so we have to enable this like this, and we can select any of the fields which we want to track. Okay, let's say account name, we can take take facts, save it. Basically it will take some time to update in front end. So here you can see account history is came, right? So let's just edit this account name to test. Here you can see at this time this field was updated, right? Old, I mean original value was this, and the new value added by test. So this is called account history tracking. We can add any other fields. If you set history tracking, so we can add any of these fields to our history tracking. So it will track, right? So new delete field dependencies, set history tracking done. And these are all fields. Okay. And for relationships, we will talk specifically in next session. Okay. History tracking use it to track the history of specific fields of object. So now let's see the next one. What is the next one? Page layouts. Page layouts. Basically, page layout, it controls the layout and organizes the things which you are seeing in the screen. Basically, it controls the layout and organizes what it will organize. Let's see what all it will organize. It will organizes buttons, okay, fields, and some VF pages, custom links, and related list, and record pages. Okay, so it will control and organize all these things. Let's see how it will happens. Page layouts. Go to the Salesforce setup. Here is the page layout, right? So here you can see, let's take one account layout page. Wait, before that, let's see the buttons which we have here. New. Okay, we can create new page layout by using this new button. And here is one page layout assignment. Okay, we have here one, two, three, four, five page layouts. So we have to assign to specific profiles. So these Page layouts can be assigned to different profiles. Page layout assignment. First, let's create a new page layout, and we can clone existing page layout. Okay, let's clone account layout, page layout, and we can give this my first page, my first page layout. Okay, let's save. Okay, so this is the page layout. What are these fields? Here fields are available, and here buttons will be available like custom links, actions, mobile and lightning actions, lookups, related list. Everything is available. We can just drag to the page. So for now it is like this. Okay, if you want to see here detail page, the account information, one section is there. Here you can see account information. Okay, it is one section. In this we have account owner, rating, account name, phone. Those are fields: account owner, rating, account name, phone. So these are the fields. Let's try to remove the unnecessary things. So I don't want rating, and I don't want fax, I don't want website, symbol, ownership, employee, safe code. I don't want these things. And owner, let's keep this side, and account number, let's keep in top, account name, okay, industry, keep it right side, and revenue also right side. Okay, now we change something, right? Previously it was like this. Okay, now we just made up to 4 total 8 fields. In address information, billing address, shipping address, let's keep like that only. And additional information, I don't want any additional information. Let's remove this. Gone. System information, yeah, we need that system information. And custom links also, let it be. Here you can see these are all the related list. From here, related list means related. These things which are visible here, those all things. Okay. For now, we will keep contacts, opportunity, cases. I don't want open activities. Previously, it was available. No, it is in account layout. Actually, we are using different layout here. My account layout. So let's remove this open activities, and I don't want notes and attachments. I don't want partners. Now I have only action is activity history, cases, opportunities. Even now we don't need cases, opportunities. Let's only keep contacts, account, sorry, activity, history, and we can also add account history. So let's go to here related list, take this account history, keep at the top, right? Account history, contacts, I don't want activity also. So in related list, I just have two, and in above account information section, 8 fields, address information, 2 fields, system information, 2. Okay, and this billing. This is so let's save this page layout. What we have done, what we have done, we have just controlled the layout, organized buttons, fields, okay, related list. We have done these things. Page layout is used for these things only, okay. Let's see the output. So we just created, but we haven't assigned to anyone, right? You can see page layout assignment used to assign page layouts for different profiles. So we should assign this to our. So I am using this Salesforce, right? So I am system administrator. So let's assign this layout to system admin so that we can see. Let's go to these are all profiles. Let's go to system admin. This one. In this, we will give my first page layout, right? System admin, my first page layout. Let's save this. Right. It is saved. Okay. Now let's refresh this page. It's take some time because we have made so many changes, right? Yeah, it doesn't take so much time. See, just 8 fields in account information. Okay. 2 fields in this. That's it. And in related, we have just only two. Account history, contacts. No case, no opportunities, nothing. Right? So we can arrange these things by using page layouts. I hope you understand page layouts. And next we will jump into the next topic. What is this? Lightning record pages. Lightning record pages. Basically, lightning record pages are like designing the pages. In the name itself, it says lightning. Lightning is nothing but this one only. This is lightning. We have another one is classic, right? This is classic mode. We can switch from here, but we are using lightning mode. So lightning record pages. This is lightning, and this is one record which I have opened. And this page, we have to design this page. Previously, we have rearranged these things, right? But we can design this page, whole page. Okay. So lightning record pages are used to design the record page. And we note the point, not for classic mode. Okay. It is only for lightning. Right. For classic, what we will use to design? For classic, we will use page layouts, only page layouts to arrange, to rearrange. There will be no designing part. Okay. Only page layouts. For classic mode. But in lightning mode, we will use lightning record pages. Let's see how it is. Two ways we can go. Here you can see new. So you can select which one you want, app page, or you want home page, you want record page, okay, you want embedded service page or voice extension. You can create any of this lightning page. Okay. So for home page is nothing but this page. This page. How we can 1, 2, 3 week 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 components we have different, right? So that is related to home page. App page is this one you can see here. App page. The first page it's same as home page only. So let's create one record page. Then my first record page on which object? On account object. Okay, like how you want to design. Like first one, it shows like this in mobile, tab, system, or like this. Anyone you can choose anything which you like. I will choose this one. Right. So now we have to design this. So let's keep. We can add anything which we like. Okay. See, let's take some. highlight panel, keep here. Done. Next, record detail page, record details. Let's keep here. Right. Next, is there a related list? Yeah, related list. Let's keep this side. Done. Account history contacts. Here it came. Previously, how it was? An account. This one. See, previously we have here two buttons, right? Detail page was here, related was here. Okay. And what I have done, I just removed this one and I shifted the related to here. So like this, you can see the screen. So this is the way we need to create the record pages. Nothing else. We can save, activate this page to make it visible to your users. Yes, I want to activate. Yeah. So you can see we want to make this org default or app default or specifically. Okay. Which app, which record type, and which profile. We can make it org default also, or you can say app default. So let's only assign to specific app. Sales app, we will assign this. Next, desktop and phone. Next, for which record type? Master record type. Next, for which profile? Only for system admin. And this is just a review. These are things. For sales app only, we are adding the my first record page and record type is master, profile system admin, desktop and mobile, and everything is same. And my first record page is assigned to these things. Save. Done. Let's wait. It will come. That's it. See, the new screen is came. Account history contacts came. Here our pages came. Right? No other things. This is the one which we developed just now here. Okay. So this is how we will create lightning record pages. Okay. Lightning record pages. And we have created my first lightning record page and assigned to sales application and assigned to master record type and also assigned to admin profile, right? That's it. So let's look into next one. Buttons, links, actions. Okay. These are nothing but just the buttons which we can see here. Follow, new contact, new case, new note. If you drop down, see, these are all the buttons. Okay. And we can also add actions also here. New case. This is a simple action. This will directly create a case. Okay. So like this, we can also add links to that. So these are all buttons, links, and actions. Buttons, links, and actions. Okay. I don't think more explanation needed on this. These are just buttons. Okay. We will create later in the sessions how to create these things. Compact layout. Yeah. This is the, you can see this header one is there, right? Account, account name, type, phone, website, account owner, account site, industry. This is the compact layout. If you go, there is one system default one. Let's see what it is. So you can see here, what are the selected fields we have here? Name, type, phone, website, these things. Name, type, phone, website, account owner, this. Let's keep only type industry. Remaining all we will remove. Let's clone. Let's give my first compact layout. So let's keep only account name and we will remove like this. Account owner, let it be. And we will remove all the things. Done. So we have just kept only two only. But previously there were one, two, three, four, five, six. Let's save it. Account name, account owner. And we have to come back layout assignment for which, see, there are different profiles. For which profile, which things need to be seen. So edit assignment, not system default. I want to assign mine. Save. Yeah, I think it's saved. Let's go and refresh. My first is a primary one, which is assigned already. Maybe it will take some time. Let's see. Once it's updated, I will show you. But everything was done. Yeah, primary compact load was my first compact. Okay, once it is updated, I will show you. Compact layout is used to design the header. Okay, done. Next, after compact layout, what was there? Field sets. Yeah, field sets. Most of the time we use this while in developing phase, but in admin, I don't think we will use this. But still, let me say what is the use field set. So field set is nothing but it will just group some fields. Okay. So as I can say, it will combine certain set of fields so that we can use at a time number of fields. See, if you want, let's say here, say in while we are writing a code, right? We will write account dot name, sorry, account dot name, so that it will fetch account name. Next, we have to write again one more line account dot city, so that it will fetch the account city and account dot address. So it will fetch account dot address, account dot revenue. So these are the main three fields which we will use number of times. But in each block of code, we are writing these four lines. Okay. So instead of writing these four lines, we can combine these fields as a field set. Okay. Field set. What will be the field set? Let's say account group. Okay. Let's say the field set name is account group. So in this account group, we are combining all these fields. All these fields will be combined under account group. Okay. So how we will call now? Previously we called four times, right? Now we will just call as account group. That's it. Account group. So it will directly give all these four values, right? Instead of writing four lines, we will use only one line to print all of these four. So what we can say, field sets. Combine certain set of fields. So we can use so that we can use all at once with one API name instead of using separate API calls. Right. Next one. Next one is object limits. Okay, these are very important object limits. It will just show us the limits of object. Okay, let's see what it is there inside. So we can't do anything here. Just it is for view purpose only. So how many active lookups we have in this? Limit is 5, but we are not yet used anything. Okay. If you see all these validation rules are how many? 0. Limit is 100 only we can create. So workflow rules 50 is the limit. We haven't used anything. Custom field, see, I have created 7 till now. In this account, I have created 7 custom fields. So it is showing 7 and the limit is 500. Okay. So like this, all these will be just recorded here. Okay. Next we will see record types. The record types is mostly, I can say, used in a where Salesforce is used in every organization. Record types are mostly used. What basically record types? The name itself defines type of record. Simple type of record. So we can customize. See if see here I have one account. Okay, and this account I don't want to use this master account. Okay, this is master account which we are using now. I want to use two different types of accounts. One is for customers and one is for uh, this is for customers, the external users who will come and buy products with us, and one is for internal users, or I can say no, one is for suppliers. One is suppliers who will supply products to us. One is customers who will buy from us. Okay. So these two types I need. Okay. But if you go here, see the compact layout is updated now. Previously I said right it will take some time, but the compact layout is only account name we are saying here and account owner. Right. Okay. Now we are seeing about record types. So when you click on new, it is allowing us to create these type of record with these data, right? So this is only one record type. Let's go create new. Okay, existing record type is master. Now we are creating it for customers. Description, companies who buy from us. Active, and you can see for which profile we need to make this available. Okay, let's make for all. Next, not only for system admin, let's make for all. Okay, now let's see what is this. Select the page layout. Okay, we have to select a page layout for this record type. So let's take our new page layout. Okay. For all, we are using one page layout only. Or if we want to use different, we can also apply it. For all, we can apply page layout. For system admin, we will account layout. Like this also we can do. Okay, but let's do this. Save. Done. It is created. Let's go back. Refresh. New. So we need to create another one to get you a clear idea. Customer is done. Next suppliers. Hmm. Used. Who is suppliers? This is also active and make available for all. Next, and we will assign same page layout. Okay, let's take account layout. Save. I think it's done. Now we can see in record types we have two customers and suppliers. Companies who buy from us, who will supply items for us. Okay, two are active. See, now it is asking, right? Which one do you want? Do you want customer type or do you want supplier type? If you are who buy from us, then go with customer. If you are who is supplying for us, then go for supplier. And we also have different layout for this. If you go for customer, you can see 8 in account information and 2 in, sorry, shipping at billing address, shipping address in address information. That's it. We don't have nothing else, right? Let's go back and go with another supplier. Next, here you can see there are so many, not 4. And not only this, we have additional information also, right? So we can make different views for different types of accounts. For every object, we can say record types are used to just create more types of records. Okay, yeah. So we can make different types of. So we created what we have created one record type for suppliers and one for customers. Then let's go with say next one, related lookup filters. This is just filters. Okay. So let me show you one example so that only you will understand clearly. So I think till now we don't have any lookup filters here. See, this is the lookup filter. Okay, account name. So if I click on this account name, it is showing all the accounts. Okay, all the accounts present in this. So if you don't want to show all the accounts. Okay, if you want to show only some accounts, like uh, account name is there, right? If you want to show only the account name, when let me show customers. These are all customers, right? Only show customer accounts. These may be supplier accounts or customer accounts because we have two type of record types, right? So maybe customers will come or suppliers will come. So if we want to restrict this field to only show customer, we can add filter. Give only customer records. Give only customer accounts. So to limit, to restrict the unnecessary values to be shown here. Okay. For that we will use related lookup filters. What is that? Related lookup filters. Filter for lookup relations. This field is lookup relation field. That's why I showed this example. Okay. This is lookup field relationship. In this, we are seeing all the values, but we can restrict this to specific criteria by using this related lookup filters. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next what we have. GUI related search layouts. Yeah. Search layouts. Okay. Let's take different search layout. What is search layout? If you see here, this is the search, right? Where we used to search. Let's go account. Let's keep all accounts. Let's try to get this S force. Yes, for search. Sorry. Yes, force. Right. So I searched this. I got this record. But what values I got? Account name, account site, these things. So we can restrict those. Okay. So if you go here, there are many such layouts, right? So default layout is this one, account name, site, phone, account owner, right? This one, account name, account site, these things. If you go here and edit, if you remove any of this phone, I don't want phone. Save. Next time if you search here now, you won't get phone here. So we just restricting the searching layout. Okay. Here you can see many things, but when you search, it will it won't give you. I think it will take some time, it will refresh. But Search layout is for when you search, the layout will be changed. Okay. What is search layout? Layout, layout of records when we do search. Right. That is about search layout. Let's see, is it refreshed? Basically, some will refresh fast, some will take some time to get. It is not yet refreshed. I will show you once it completes. And next, what we have in objects. Next one is list view button layout. List view button layout. This is nothing but you can see list view, okay, of button layout, or we can say buttons and actions in list view. Right. So what is this view of buttons actions in list view is called list view button layout. What is that? First, what is list view? This is a list. These are all the list. Let's take my account. My account have in my account list we have these many things. We can also create list like this. List view controls new list. We can give names and then we can save. Then it will create new list. Okay. But let's see. This is our list. My accounts. This is a list view. What we are saying list view button layout. Where are the buttons in this list view? Here. New, import, printable. These three are there. If we change the list view, no. For this also they have three only. We have to change this or we have to add, we want to remove, can do anything. Okay. Just designing these buttons in this list view layout is called list view button layout. Let's go here. Let's edit. Previously, how many we have? Three. New, import, printable for all accounts. For my accounts also, same. Let's remove new button. Save. Go back. Refresh. New button gone. Right? It's gone. So like this, we have to update the buttons or we can add buttons. Okay. Like this, we can do from list view buttons. You have to create buttons and then you have to add here. Buttons can be created from here. See new action, new button or link. Then we have to add in list view with the help of this. Next, hierarchy columns. This is very rarely used, but let me give an overview of this. What is that? Hierarchy columns. See, if we have any parent account and also we have parent account and we also have child account. So we can show those two accounts. Okay. For this hierarchy is needed. Columns showed in hierarchy of parent child. If you go here, click on new. What you want to show? Phone name, phone number. Before saying, let me show you in any account. See here, this is account name, right? Here it is account hierarchy. If you open this, Account name, account site, billing, these all things are coming, right? Account name and account number. Yeah, it is saved. Now account name, account number is came. So like this we have to do it. We only added these two. So it is showing those two in the hierarchy columns. Columns are nothing but this is one column, this is second column. So hierarchy columns we can update here. Next we will go to triggers. Triggers. Triggers just an automation, right? We use triggers for automation. See, I will just give an overview for triggers. So if there is any account, okay, let's take this account. So in this account, I just mm, okay, okay, I just updated billing address. Okay, but I don't know what shipping address is. But in real life, both are same for this company. Let's assume like that. Okay, so user will fill only one time. Okay, why they will fill two times? Tell me. So they will fill only one time, but we have to update the shipping address same as this. Okay, we will ask once, is billing address is same as shipping address? Check this checkbox. Then he will check that checkbox. Then what we will do in the backend, we will write a trigger. When this checkbox is checked, we have to copy whole billing address into shipping address. So these type of automations, when this is updated, this one, or when we save this record, we have to do something. Or before saving record, we have to do something, or before creating the new record we have to do something, or before deleting, after deleting we want to do anything, those things, or like sending a mails, updating a fields. So those things we can do in triggers. Triggers we will discuss in next sessions very clearly. Okay, but we use triggers for an automation. Okay, right. The next one is flow triggers. This is a very important for admins. Okay, very important. Flows, this is a automation. Okay, this is also same automation. Like if you want to do any automation, like we can say button is there, new contact, how this screen is coming. By using a flow we can create this screen. Okay, after we save, new record is created. Okay, instead of going to new contact and creating new, like this, we just created a button, right? So we can use flows. Okay, flows how it will be, I will just give an overview here. Let's take when we click on one button. Okay, when we click on button, then I clicked on button. So what should happen? It should open one screen. Okay, open a screen or form to take input data from user. Okay, done. So it will take, after taking, what it should do, after taking it should insert the record in object, or nothing but insert data record in database table. This is backend. Okay, we have to insert this. Next, what after inserting, new record is created, but that is not enough. We need out of the box, right? We have to send an email to user like anything, welcome email or congratulations, you have just created your contact or account like that. So these are all things. This is an automation, right? One after one, one after one, one after one. Sequence of actions takes place. When you click on button, the flow will take like this. So this can be built in the flow. Okay, we will see flow very clearly and in depth. Okay, with every examples. Okay, I will cover that one. Flow is an automation. That is an example. Done. And the next one is validation rules. This is very very important. Validation rules is nothing but rules to validate the data. Let's go back and see validation rules. There are no validation rules here yet, but we will create an account. So let's go here. Sorry, we'll create new. Sorry, I removed new button, right? How we will create now? Okay, let's go and add that new button. But where we need to add that button? Do you remember? This is search layouts, list view button layout. In this, we have to add edit new save refresh. Order M. Thank God. Next, we will create one customer. So account name we have to give any always my account. Let's give this account name, and we are not giving an industry. Okay, and also revenue something like this, and no address nothing. Okay, we only give account name, annual revenue, but we haven't give any address. This is not a like this is not correct. Without address, we shouldn't save any account. But let's see. Save. It is saved. It is not correct. So for that, we have to create validation rules. Okay. Let's give a simple example. Rule name, industry, description. Industry should not be empty. Okay. Industry and address should not be empty. Let's go here. Insert field. Account only. Account in that account billing address. And we also need what is that? Industry, right? Industry or industry. Insert. Let's see. We'll take one formula is blank. Insert. So when we need to trigger this validation rule, when this is industry is blank, okay, and billing address is also blank, then we have to trigger this rule. But we have to use the and, right? Here it is and. Sorry, I have inserted two times, I think, or three times. How and will be worked? You can see and logic 1, logic 2. These should two should be true. So we can write this A and A and this one logic 1 comma logic 2. Let's check syntax. Field industry is list value. Okay, this is list value I think. So we shouldn't use blank. Is pick value we need to use. Thought it was not a. Let's type this is pi value. The list field is industry, comma, and it should be null. Right, no errors found. What is the error message? Industry and address should not be. You can see whatever and this logic. If it is true, then only we will throw this rule. What is that condition? Industry is null and is blank billing address. We will print a message. Industry address should not be empty. Top of the page. Save. This is active. We need to check this. Another location will top of the page here. Let's go and try to create new account. Refresh. New. Let's take any of this. Let's just give account number 123. Name test for validation rule. So I won't give industry and I won't give any of this address. Let's say see industry and address should not be empty. Before filling this, you can't save. If any time, how many times you will click, can't save this. Okay. So it will restrict the invalid data to enter into database. Right? Tools to validate the data, or we can say restrict the invalid data to enter into database. Right. So till now what we have seen? We have seen everything which is present in the object manager. Take standard object is an account. So we have seen everything present in the standard object. Okay, let's go and do custom object. Let's create a custom object. Custom object. Let's create a custom object. My object. Name my object. Go back. And how we will create? How we need to create this? Setup object manager. We have create custom object button. Okay, click on create custom object. Then you will get the screen like this. Let's write what is the name my object, right? Take this, copy, paste. Plural will be my objects. And I don't want to start with vowel sound. Object name is this description. Let's say sample object. Just we are creating sample and name will be account name. Sorry, my object name. It will be text. And here are the optional features. We have to allow this object to reports. Yes, I want to allow this object to reports and allow to activities as well. Tracking field history. Yes, I want and allow in chatter groups also. It is optional. We either we can add or we don't. It is our up to us. Okay, and it should be deployed, then only we can use. And allow in search. If you don't allow this now, when you search in this, you can't find this object. Okay, so you have this allow. And right, let's save this. Then it's saved. So details page, same as previously, it will show all the details. You can see here this API name was this. Let's take this API. If I go back here, when we started the session, standard object, name, account, API name is also account only. But when we created a custom object, here name is my object, but API name is my object underscore underscore C. So this is the difference which we have to keep in mind. Okay. Either it is a standard object or custom object, however we'll find by seeing the API name, which has underscore C like this, the suffix, then it is an custom object. When it is simply same as name, then it is a standard object, right? Okay, then let's go back. So we have created an object, which is nothing but a table in a database. How we can see in this? These are all objects only, right? So let's see ours, where it is. You can search here. Objects also. If you want, let's see account. Account is available. If you want to see leads, it is also available. Let's see our object. What is our object name? My object. What? It is not there. Why it is not there? Because we haven't created any tab like this. Okay, let's go and create a tab. Let's go home. What is that point we need to make? Without tab, we can't see our object in lightning, right? Let's create a tab for my object. How to create? Go to setup, go to quick find, search for tab. Next, new. This is setup, home, quick find, tab, tabs. Let's create new tab. Which object? My object. Which style? We can choose any of this style. Take bell. Description. This is a sample object which we are created for test. Next. So this object should be visible for which profile? I want to make it visible for all the profiles. So let's make it default on for all. Now, if you want to keep only for admin, then check this apply different tab visibility for each profile. First, you can off like this for all. Then you can go to system admin. Then you can on for him. So that this object will only visible to this admin, but not for other profile users. So let's make this to all. And next thing is custom app. So is this object should be visible in all apps or should be only some apps? Okay, so let's remove for all apps, just only add for sales, so that we can see object only in this sales app application, not in other applications. Save. Tab is created successfully. We'll go here, we'll refresh. So we have allowed to see only in sales application, right? So let's search. What is that? My object is available here. It's came here. Now it is done. So my object is visible in sales. Why it is having like this? We can also add it in different places. Click on this pencil icon, add more items, all, search my object. Let me refresh. No, it is already there. See here my object. So we can rearrange it. I want to keep it just before home. Yeah, here it is. But we have added my object in only sales application. Let's check other applications also. Marketing CRM Classic. Is this object is available here? No, there is no pencil icon also to add objects. Why? Because it is limited to only these tabs or these objects. We can't add any objects in this, but we can view it globally like this. We can view it. Okay. But if you close this, we can't view. It is not attached to this application, but it is attached to sales. Where are your sales? Yeah. So we have created a custom object. We have created a custom object. We have created a tab. We have seen that created custom object is visible in application as well. Okay. Let's explore my object, custom object. So I can say there is no difference at all in the remaining parts. Same as standard object only. Fields and relationships as I explained previously. Page layouts. These all things will be remain same. Okay. Only the difference we can say we will create custom objects and the API name will be like this. In standard object, we won't create them. They will come along with the package. But API name will be same as the object name. There won't be any extension with C. Okay. I hope you understand clearly. If you have any doubts, please keep in the comment section. And this is all about Salesforce second session, which is about objects, standard objects, custom objects, all these things. Okay. Thank you.